Hello everyone, magandang hapon, magandang tanghali po. Maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. Ayan, may pagapanapon. And then of course, what else na imbag nga malim. Ayan, sa ating mga kababayan po dito sa South Korea. Okay, so tayo po ay magbibigay ng update ulit sa ating mga kababayan po anywhere in South Korea and even in the Philippines about po sa introduction. So i-introduce na po ng foreign manpower industry dito sa South Korea ang domestic aircraft manufacturing industry po. So this is about introduction of foreign manpower into the domestic aircraft manufacturing industry po. So according sa Ministry of Justice and Ministry of Trade and Energy, yan, they announced a plan to allow po the introduction of specified activity E-7, ayan na visa holder, foreign workers into the domestic aircraft manufacturing industry po, which is experiencing a hiring shortage. So nagkakaroon na rin po ng kakulangan dito sa mga employees na nagtatrabaho kasalukuyan sa domestic aircraft manufacturing industry po. Ayan, ngayon they're allowing ayan for hiring, yan, manpower pooling due to shortage of employees. Ayan, currently para sa nasabing industriya, which is the aircraft domestic manufacturing industry po. So specified E-7 visa holder, this is a work visa permitted only for 87 occupations, specifically po designated by the Ministry of Justice. And in addition to that, according na rin sa kanila, the aircraft manufacturing industry experienced a boom following the COVID-19 pandemic due to the normalization of cross-border movement and the normalization of cross-border movement. Ayan, in addition, the revitalization of exports. But despite active efforts para makapag-recruit ng domestic workers, production was experiencing setbacks due to an inability to secure sufficient required manpower. So medyo dito nagkakaroon ng how do you call it, setbacks. When we say setbacks, syempre hindi tuloy-tuloy yung trabaho, yung progress ng domestic aircraft manufacturing industry. So ngayon, they are thinking na mag-hire na rin for this said industry, specifically for E-7 visa holders. Ayan. Accordingly, the Ministry of Justice po and the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy establish a pilot operation plan to allow the introduction of foreign workers in specified activities E-7 visa holder for 2 years within the range of 300 people per year through collaboration with related organizations and collections of industry opinions. Ayan po. So anong source ng natin? Ito po ay coming from Ministry of Justice. So pwede nyo rin siya i-check. Ang source po ng information natin, www.moj.go.kr po. So yan po yung website ng Ministry of Justice. Ayan. So binigyan ko kayo ng details about dito. Yan sa mga interested, pwede nyo siyang i-backread or basahin or pakinggan po yung ating live video, or if you want, you can also share to sa mga friends ninyo, kakilala ninyo. Please do kindly share our live video if you want, para po yung sa mga interesado, pwede nilang malaman yung tungkol po dito. Yan lang. So, open tayo ngayon sa office natin, which is weekend, 10 AM po until 6 PM po ng gabi. And then, over the, of course, coming business days, which is Monday onwards, by Monday, I think it's holiday, no? Palganal, dito sa Korea, South Korea. And then, for questions, kung may mga questions, as long as kayo po namin kayong masagot, pwede po kayong tumawag, 0103-410-4993, or pwede rin po kayo mag-visit if you have time sa ating office. Ayan, pwede kayo mag-visit dito. Ang number natin po is 0103-410-4993. Kung may mga questions, pwede kayo mag-text or mag-drop ng message po. Please do kindly follow na rin po ang ating TikTok account and several accounts as well. So, yun lang po. So, I'll just give you, of course, more details sa mga iba pang updates na, of course, nagugustuhin ninyong malaman, lalo na kung makakatulong po sa inyo dito habang kayo ay nasa Korea, at yung mga interesado naman po makapag-work yun na nasa Pilipinas, pwede rin naman din. So, yun lang. So, salamat sa inyong oras. God bless everyone. I'll be seeing you again for another live video. Bye! Hello sa mga kababayan natin.